Hi, my name is Dwayne Newville, Head of Technical at Suprema UK. Today I'm in Manchester for an amazing success story with Lifestyle Fitness and also the installer, Vistec, where we're going to be talking about how users come in and out of the gym using our Face Station F2.
So my name is Chris. I'm the Commercial Manager at Lifestyle Fitness, and I have responsibility over marketing, communications, and then IT systems within the business, including access control systems. We were quite keen when we came to build this particular gym that we wanted something that was quick, that was efficient, and was really minimal fuss to members. So what we've installed is the Suprema face recognition system, and that works at our entrance system here, where you walk in, you quickly get scanned, and then you can come in and enjoy your workout within the gym.
My name's Carl and I'm the UK Sales Manager at Vistec Systems. My main responsibility is to meet with new and existing clients, assess their security requirements and then come up with a design and a package to meet those requirements. Our client Lifestyle Fitness were keen to move towards facial biometric technology for access to their gym sites. The Suprema Face Station F2 provided this solution out of the box because there's an existing integration between the Suprema product and the Paxton Net2 access control backbone which Lifestyle Fitness have got running through all of their sites. So we don't often need it, but when we do need support from Suprema, they're always there at the end of a telephone, which makes a big difference to our engineers when they're on the live site.
In the world that we live in today, contactless is a big part of any access control system. And I think people just get that extra level of safety and security from knowing that they're not sharing surfaces with anyone else, and they can do that from a distance. So everyone's reacted really positively to the installation. There's nothing worse than going to a gym with a bag over your shoulder and a protein shake in the other hand, and then you're trying to rummage for an access card to get into the gym. I think the convenience of the Suprema system, walking straight up, looking to the right, and then having the gates open for you, has been really fantastic. So that's one of the key advantages. Reliability. We've worked with systems in the past where you walk up and the door just doesn't open, but with Suprema it seems to be extremely reliable so far, so we're delighted with that.
My name is John Hardacre. I work for UK Turnstiles in the sales department, and I'm responsible for all the new products that go out in the UK. So with the UK T24, we get a signal from the F2 reader, and within 1 second it opens the unit, so allow a very quick flow of traffic through the unit, and then it shuts very quickly afterwards, again allowing that next person to come through again straight away.
By installing the Suprema readers, we've managed to put something in place that really has reduced the level of contact when you come into a gym to zero, and that's been something that has given people a lot of security when it comes to COVID-19, and I think people feel pretty safe when they come into one of our sites with Suprema at the door.
So the enrolment process is very straightforward. They attend the site, meet the reception team who take their enrolment, and then that information is uploaded live to the system so they can go and have a workout straight away. So Suprema are a realistic manufacturer. They realise that sometimes their product needs to be integrated with an existing system like the Net2 Paxton access control system.
This system is so much quicker and more reliable. We wanted something that was going to be seamless for members coming in and out of the gym, and I think that's what we've delivered with this.